Okay, here we have a museum that you will see how we made the rum, and also you will see a short film about the rum history, and you will taste of all our rum. Here we have 8 different types of rum, and you will taste of all of them. You just have to pay $4 per person here to me for go inside.
Flush.
So welcome to Macoríx House of Rum. My name is Sasha. In this tour, you're going to try 8 different types of rums. For your safety here, you cannot smoke. You can take pictures but without flash. Now when we go inside, it's going to be dark, so please watch your step. Okay?
It's gonna be dark, so watch both here.
Let them go first.
That's alright, you can only go one way. Just walk straight, you'll be fine.
Oh, this stuff.
It does smell good in here.
Oh yes.
You got the
So everyone, now you're going to hear an audio with some information, okay?
Welcome to Macoríx House of Rum. You are entering our aging warehouse. For your safety, smoking, bright lights, and flash photography are not allowed.
Let's continue
This
here.
is a bonded warehouse where the 100% Dominican sugarcane alcohol is aged in white American oak barrels. The warehouse holds 3,500 barrels that were previously used in the production of American bourbon. Each has a capacity of 200 liters of alcohol and produces up to 400 bottles of rum. Rum stored in the barrel breathes slowly, and the wood allows all the aromatic elements to interact with the liquid. The first year, 12 to 15% of rum is lost to evaporation during aging in the barrels. This is called angel share. In the air, you can sense aromas of caramel, sugarcane, and vanilla. They are naturally produced by the barrels and the best rum in the country.
Here are the different types of toast level. Here is heavy, medium, light. You can see they are burned inside. The more burned it is inside, the rum is going to get more body, color, and flavor to it. Okay? So now we're going to continue. When you come in, watch your step. You continue here. You see it?
Here's good.
most noble and ancient spirit known to date. The Dominican Republic distinguishes itself with an elaborate blend of elegant aromas and well-defined body, where wood provides an almond-like color, creating a magnificent combination with the Caribbean sunset. Upon its development in the Caribbean, by 1600 in the British colony of Barbados, we can find evidence that already had a rum distillery. The popularity of rum quickly spread to the British colonies of North America, establishing the first distillery in what is currently known this industry in colonial New England. Ron Macorix was born in 1899 by the hands of the Carrion family from the town of San Pedro de Macorís, a place considered by many as a land of poets, artists, and sugarcane. 110 years later, Ron Macorix became part of the Vinícola del Norte family of the port town of Puerto Plata, thus uniting two emblematic rum-producing folk towns of the Dominican Republic. Today, the legacy of its founder, Juan Brugal Perez, takes us on the revolutionary path of perfection and quality of the legendary rum that is Ron Macorix. Ron Macorix enjoys a solid prestige, largely endorsed by the most sensitive of palates. It is distilled in San Pedro de Macorís, carrying with it the best of the sugarcane. While the age deposits, the delicate elaboration, and the modern bottling system take place in Puerto Plata, where the rum masters managed to combine the tradition of years with latest technology. The process of creating this unique beverage begins when the sugarcane is grinded and its juices extracted for fermentation. Distillation is the process where condensation and vaporization of the juices separate the various mixtures as they reach their closest boiling point. Once a perfect batch has been selected, they are allowed to fuse for some time before they are reduced with pure water in order to be bottled and delivered to the final consumer. In order to achieve the essential characteristic of color and its light taste and profound body, several processes must be exhausted, where time control and temperature are the perfect accomplices to reach the perfect point that honors the creation of rum. Based on the most ancient recipes, Ron Macorix is unique, as it combines the legacy and years of experience in rum making of our founders with the most advanced technology in the industry. We can proudly assert that Ron Macorix is a premium blend since 1899. For more than a century, Ron Macorix has shared its secrets in the quest for perfection, in elaborating high-quality rum that is softly polished from generation to generation until achieving a milestone in the history of the Dominican rum.
This started in the beginning of the 1800s, and they used it to extract the juice out of the sugar cane. The way they used it was with two strong animals that walk around it, and they put the sugar cane in between the rollers in the middle, so they squeeze the juice out of it. And here in the bottom, we got the juice out of the sugar. So now we're going to continue over here by the white and black picture. Here is a picture of our founder. His name was Juan Brugal Perez. He founded our company Vinícola del Norte in 1962. First, we produced wines and whiskeys. Then we produced rums when he bought the brand Macoríx from the Carrion family. Now we continue. So here we have two old machines, as you can see. This machine here was used to put the corks inside the bottles for corking. And on this side, they use this machine to put the labels on the bottles. You can see in the middle the people working with both machines, and they only work with one bottle per person. Now here we have the Macoríx head. The Macoríx, they were the first tribe to live in the Dominican Republic. So we wanted to honor them by naming our brand after them. So we got the brand name from the Macoríx. So now everyone, we are going to start with the rum tasting. So here is Macoríx Gold. This rum is aged for 4 years. It's going to taste sweet and smooth. The rum has 37.5 of alcohol. Now I'm going to give you a little bit so you can try the rum, and please keep your cups, okay?
Baby, if you don't want it, okay. If you don't want it, you don't.
I'm gonna try it.
Thank you.